Another day, another story. Title: The Ultimate Guide to Dominating Pull-Ups and Building a Powerful Upper Body. Introduction. Hey there, fitness warriors. Today, I'm going to unveil the holy grail of upper body exercises, the strict pull-up. If you're looking to build a strong, lean, and muscular upper body, you're in for a treat. I'm about to reveal a game-changing method that will easily double, or even triple, your max pull-up reps. This groundbreaking technique, which might sound like a well-kept secret, will soon be at your disposal. By the end of this video, you'll possess the knowledge to transform your pull-up game from 5 to 10, 10 to 20, or even 20 to 30 unbroken reps. Yes, it's a real game changer, and I'm here to guide you through every step of this transformative journey. Building the foundation. Let's address the elephant in the room, the reason pull-ups feel like a Herculean task. Have you ever thought that your struggle with pull-ups could be due to carrying excess weight? Well, it's time to shed some light on this. Your body weight is like a vest you're wearing while attempting pull-ups. If that vest is loaded with unnecessary fat, it's working against you. So, the first step to achieving killer pull-ups is to lose that extra baggage. The repetition method. Now, let's dive into the meat of this strategy, the repetition method. This method is simple yet remarkably effective. Here's how it works. After your max set of pull-ups, multiply that number by 2.5. This will give you a target representative count. For instance, if you max out at 10 pull-ups, your target becomes 25. Then, over 3 to 4 weekly workouts for 4 weeks, aim to accumulate those 25 reps. Flexibility is key here. Fit those reps in between sets, spread them across various exercises, or even dedicate a separate set. The key is to hit your representative target before leaving the gym. Progress and results. After 4 weeks of dedicated repetition method training, take 3 to 5 days of rest and then retest your max pull-ups. You'll likely be blown away by your progress. This method may seem straightforward, but trust me, it's a science-backed way to enhance your training volume and frequency. In essence, if you want to excel at pull-ups, do more pull-ups, it's as simple as that. Advancing your pull-up journey. As you get stronger and more advanced, you might hit a plateau. That's where our strategy may require some adjustments. But don't worry, there's a clear path forward. And remember, this technique isn't just for pull-ups, it's perfect for bodyweight exercises like push-ups, dips, and muscle-ups. I've personally used it to build elite-level relative strength even at 210 pounds. Starting from scratch. Perhaps you're just starting out, and the thought of doing a single pull-up seems like a distant dream. Fear not, we've got you covered. Begin with bodyweight pulling progressions like ring rows, chin over the bar holds, and pull-up negatives. These exercises will lay the foundation for your journey towards that first unassisted pull-up. Conclusion. In conclusion, whether you're a seasoned athlete or a beginner, the repetition method is a game-changing approach to achieving your pull-up goals. Lose that unnecessary weight, embrace the simplicity of the method, and witness your progress soar. Just remember, your journey from weak to strong won't happen overnight. Patience and persistence are your allies. So, let's embark on this empowering journey together. Like, share, subscribe. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, share it with your fellow fitness enthusiasts, and subscribe to stay tuned for more empowering content. Remember, you're not just aiming for strength, you're striving to be the best version of yourself. So, let's crush those pull-up goals and make each representative count. Thanks for watching.